Consider the field of medicine. Once upon a time, diagnosing an illness was a matter of guesswork, intuition, and rudimentary tests. But today, technology paints a different picture. Take the example of magnetic resonance imaging, better known as MRI. This non-invasive procedure uses magnetic fields and radio waves to create detailed images of the inside of the body. It has revolutionized the way we diagnose and treat conditions ranging from cancer to cardiovascular disease. In the world of business, technology has made waves too. For instance, consider the rise of e-commerce. Companies like Amazon and Alibaba have used technology to create platforms where consumers can purchase virtually anything with a few clicks. This has not only made shopping more convenient, but has also opened up new opportunities for businesses, big and small, to reach customers around the globe. Technology also plays a pivotal role in education. Online learning platforms like Coursera and Khan Academy have democratized education, making it accessible to anyone with an internet connection. These platforms offer courses on a wide range of subjects, from computer science to music theory, enabling individuals to learn at their own pace and convenience. And let's not forget the environment. Technology has given us tools to better understand and protect our planet. For example, Geographic Information Systems, or GIS, allow us to map and analyze environmental data in ways that were unimaginable a few decades ago. This technology has been instrumental in conservation efforts, helping us to track endangered species, monitor deforestation, and plan sustainable development. In summary, technology has transformed every facet of our lives. In medicine, it has revolutionized diagnosis and treatment. In business, it has created new opportunities and made transactions easier. In education, it has democratized access to knowledge. And in environmental conservation, it has given us the tools to protect our planet. Despite the challenges it sometimes presents, technology remains a powerful force for good. It is a tool that, when used wisely, can solve some of our most pressing problems and open up a world of possibilities. So, the next time you send a text, order a product online, take an online course, or use a mapping app, remember the immense benefits that technology brings to our lives, and remember, the best is yet to come. The future of technology holds unimaginable possibilities, and we are just at the beginning of this exciting journey.